Hey my officials, welcome back to another vlog. This is actually going to be my first weekly vlog that I do here on my channel because I have a bunch of things that I need to get into this week. As you guys can see from the title, I am traveling, so this is like my prep vlog. You guys will see where I go when I get there, but there is a bunch of things that I have to do before I leave the island. So at first I have to get some kind of like international immunization card, so I need to go do that, and then obviously you have to get like a COVID test, and then obviously I have to do like other little preps and stuff like that. So that's basically what we're gonna get into in this vlog. I may also put like how I pack. I already have an idea of what I want to walk with. I may do my packing video in a different it's not needed. I'll do it in this one because it's not for long and it's not a lot of stuff that I am walking with. So yeah, so let's get into this vlog. Hey y'all, so I am in my car and I just completed dropping off the information for the international immunization card. I cannot, why? They said 3 to 5 business days. I really hope it's 5 business days because I really hope it's 3. I'm gonna pray for 3 that I get at least called on Wednesday, so yeah, or Thursday the latest, because I leave out on Saturday. So I'm really hoping that by then I should get called. But yeah. Hey my officials, welcome back to another day. It's a whole new day, and in today's video, this is how my nails look. Guys, it's so pretty. I love. Listen, I love my nails. She did a really good job. I love my nail tech. She's like, yeah. But in today's video, we are going, as you guys already know, I'm prepping to travel in a couple days. So I'm gonna go get my COVID test today and I'm gonna try to vlog that. I'm so nervous about it because I have never ever I've never taken a COVID test in my life since the pandemic. So I am very nervous about that. Another thing, let me know if y'all like this is so cute. Like I literally tied this down on my head so that my flyaways could be tied down, but I'm actually just gonna rock it like this because I really like to see it. But yeah, what was I saying? I also have to go and pick up my international immunization card because that is something that you have to get once you're traveling from Trinidad. So I'm definitely gonna do those things today, and I'm also planning on starting to pack. Simply because, why is my bathroom always in the frame? Simply because I have a lot of things that I have to do, and I don't know if, well, I never said anything, but I'm still working, so I have to try and balance my days out. And I feel like if I at least pack out like my clothes, then it would just be for me to like pack out like my little miscellaneous stuff. I don't get my hair, I'm not gonna do my hair until Friday, just because I like when my hair is fresh. So yeah, so that's basically what we are gonna get into today. I don't know how far into this vlog I am going to get, but yeah, but that's basically what I'm doing today. Mainly just getting my COVID test because I travel out in a couple days. So yeah, and they scheduled me. It was pretty easy process for those of you who are wondering. I don't find it to be, it's an expensive process, I feel like, but it's not a bad process. Like, it's just things that you have to do. You no longer just buy a ticket, get on a plane and go about your business. You have to make sure that you get the COVID test, and then of course for Trinidad, the international immunization card, and you know, just other things, other small little knick-knack things that you just want to make sure that you have. And because I'm a foreigner, I want to make sure that I have all of my, you know, peas in a pod, if that makes sense. All right guys, so we are actually at the drive-through. They have a drive-through COVID test, which I'm kind of happy about. I don't know if it's something that they're doing that is new, but at least I don't have to get into the building. The only issue is I need to use the bathroom so badly. I have to use the bathroom. So I have never taken, as I said earlier, I've never taken a COVID test in my life, child. Like, so I'm very nervous because it is drive-through. I am going to try to see how I can record it. I hope, because sometimes these medical officials, they don't really like to be on camera. Based on what I see my other friends or my other YouTubers vlog, like Caribbean YouTubers, it seems like they just don't want to. I don't know what they think the camera, I don't know why they don't want to be on camera, but you know, normally people don't like to be on camera and stuff like that. So, but I'm gonna try. I am so nervous. Like, anyway, see you guys, because I'm very nervous and I can't deal with these nerves. So yeah. Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Morning.
To do COVID-19 testing?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you get a chance to register online?
I did do everything online. I actually got an email.
Okay. Let me just say one thing before you finish. Your foundation match is perfect.
Thank you. Thank you.
So what's the name?
I'm not too good.
You're not too good?
No.
Why? What happened?
I'm very...
You're traveling? Why
yes,
not too good?
because I'm
stay and do
nervous.
this and I'll go and travel for you, you know.
I'm very nervous about this.
No, man. You look like you're ready to travel.
No, I'm not.
Hair did, makeup did, everything. You ready? You look like you were on a luxury vacation.
That would be nice.
Okay. Okay. We'll make it very quick if it's for travel. Just relax and count to 5 for me.
Hold on there.
Yeah.
In the wind, will the particles affect the result?
No, not at all. No. Absolutely not. Alright? Unless COVID is in the air, which would be a terrible thing. Okay? Count to 5 for me. Alright, and that's it. You did very good. Okay?
Woo!
Alright?
That's it?
That's it, yeah.
When do I? Oh my god.
You booked with NK Aviation, right?
Yes, I
So
did.
that's everything.
So
So tonight or tomorrow morning you'll get results.
okay, then no problem. Thank you.
Okay, Nikki, ma'am.
Okay. It felt very... I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get home, because... Why do I have this on? I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get home, because it felt funny. Like, real funny. And he was sweet, but he was rough. Talk to you guys in a minute. I'm traumatized. I'm actually traumatized. morning, guys. Good morning. I'm here to brace your presence. But I'm actually gonna be leaving in a minute. It is now 4 o'clock. Yes, my flight is at 7, very early. But I just kind of want to show you guys my fit, and I'm going barefaced today. This is not me. This is not like me. I normally, you know, try to travel in makeup, but my skin is giving it, so I felt like, why not? And the flight is so early sometimes to put on makeup, and I'm just not in the mood. Yeah, my skin is, I'm gonna share my skincare routine with you guys if y'all interested in seeing that. But yeah, we are off now to the airport. Let me show you guys my little OOTD. I got this from a black owned company. I told y'all I'm trying to support the black women out here. So yeah, I'm gonna share with you guys my OOTD. So give me a second. So this is my full airport fit. As you guys can see, I'm walking very simple. So now we are off to the airport. So I'll check you guys back once I get to the airport and I'm checked in and all of that good stuff. So yeah, see you guys in a minute. Vlog everything. I need to experience life. You snapping? Yeah. Can you send me a snap, please? Hey guys. This is my bartender. He's so handsome. Vlogged for the day. This is my friend Annie.
Hello.
Welcome.
I'm making my debut.
She's making her debut.
How you say it? Debut.
Debut on my channel. She got me drunk. I've only been here for 2 hours, and you know, it's been lit.
I feel like, why not? You're on vacation.
I agree. I agree. Anyways, we are gonna go to the mall. We're gonna go to Sephora because I'm gonna help my good sis out. She's not behaving well.
So we have to cross.
She's not behaving very well, so I need to sort her out. Like, I can't leave Miami and she not sorted out. But yeah, so we're gonna go to the mall. So if I do pick up my camera,
Nikki Miss gonna have me spending money that I don't have, guys. Pray for me. Pray for me.
2 things.
Okay.
You're only gonna go, actually,
I need my moisturizer, but whatever other 2 things you're saying.
but why can't you get a cheaper moisturizer? Why you need, her moisturizer is like $60 something.
Guys, listen, this is the only moisturizer that I've ever found.
Have you used all the moisturizers in the world? No.
But I don't, the money that's it's gonna take for me to try all the other moisturizers when I can try the one that I know works for me. Why not? But I really do.
Whatever.
They can tell me what's better. I'll give them a try, but as long as they have
$60 something for moisturizer, I ain't doing that.
Hey,
skincare is not
that.
that.
Putting my business out there.
I will take it out.
No, I'm kidding. That was just fun.
Yeah. But anyways, we'll see you guys once we get to the mall. If we get to the mall. Yeah. Bye. Alright guys, so we're about to get some.
Oh, nice.
We're about to get some rum cakes.
Which one is your favorite?
This pretty little girl, this pretty woman right here.
So I'm going to try the one. But you're allergic.
Yeah, I'm not trying that.
But was it good?
It was really good. It was really good, but I definitely need to take a pill.
Yeah, take a pill, okay, baby?
Yeah, I have a.
My card is in there. Let me know how you feel, okay?
All right, no problem. Thank you. No, it's fine. Nobody knows.
Because when my sister eats pineapple, her mouth.
My mouth, yeah, the same thing happens to me.
And then let me give you another ingredient. She's from the pineapple. My sister will say, give me some pineapple. Don't let her touch my lips. I mean, it is so good. I'm like, you are allergic to the thing. Why are you trying it?
It's really
Hey y'all, so I am really just here to close out yesterday's vlog. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, bye.